Well, this is Mr. Molo giving you the lesson plan for the week of the 20th through the 24th of April here. So I have it written down here for you. So each person in your group should have come up with 2 different ideas and put them in that Toy Idea 1 and Toy Idea 2 quiz from last week. And now you're going to take those 2 ideas and put them in the decision matrix. Okay, so some of you did not come up with 2 different ideas. Some of you either by accident or you talked to each other came up with the same ideas. So that's something that's going to have to get addressed this week then. Make sure each person in the group has 2 different ideas. And also remember, this is a toy modification. Modification means change. You need to change an existing toy or create a brand new toy. Some of you just put in there that you would have your child play with Legos. Legos aren't a new toy. You didn't invent them. What are you going to change about the Legos to make them special for your child? Okay, so if you click on this folder here, I have the decision matrix either as a PowerPoint or as a Google slide. So you can pick whichever one you want to work with, doesn't matter. And here are criteria. We have cost, durability, strength development, adaptability, and appeal to children. So if you want more about what those mean, so then here they are. So cost, will it be affordable? You don't want to make things too expensive there. Durability, will it last? Or is it one of those toys that's going to break very quickly? Strength development, will it develop the strength for your specific patient? Or did you kind of forget what your patient's goal was and you made something else? Adaptability, can it be used by anyone? And appeal to children, is it fun to play with? Or is it something where the kids are going to see it more as a chore? So here's the matrix. So you're going to put your ideas here. So remember, each person in your group needs 2 ideas. So if you only have 2 people in your group, then you're going to come up with 4 ideas. You have 3 people, then you're at 6. And if you have 4 people, then you're at 8. You're filling the whole one. And then remember, we have a scale down here. 4 is the best, 1 is the worst. So if it's something that costs a lot, you're going to put it as a 1. If it's something that's kind of cheap to make, then it would be a 4. So you're going to do that for all the categories there, and then add up the total here at the end and see which toy from your group is the best. And then after you add it up, remember this should go in your PowerPoint slide that you made from last week with your ideas. So if you can just copy paste it once it's done and put it directly into your Google slide presentation that we'll talk about more next week.